Leka Systems specialise in providing innovative, truly lightweight conservatory roofing. Our orangery roofing is one of the most energy-efficient alternatives in the market today. Competitor orangery roofing weighs nearly double that of a Leka Systems one. Here's how the lightweight Leka System Orangery Kit is constructed. The underlying structure of a Leka Systems Orangery Kit is constructed from a glass-reinforced plastic or GRP frame. Using glass-reinforced plastic or GRP allows for a structurally tested and lighter alternative to aluminium and timber. GRP is not at risk of sweating, condensation or cold bridging, unlike aluminium. Nor is GRP open to woodwork, moisture absorption or potential rotting such as timber. After a 15mm air gap, insulated Celotex sheets are layered on. Next, light, strong and load-bearing insulated outer sheets are added, allowing for fewer roofing bars and much higher efficiency. Your outer weatherproof covering is then applied by your installation company. The glass lantern is then lowered onto the structure and fixed into place. Guttering is now attached and fixed onto a UPVC fascia cappit to complete the waterproofing. Finally, internal Leka sheets are added to be lightweight, waterproof and 1/3 the weight of plasterboard. The underside of the roof then has an elegant, traditional skim plaster applied. Low-energy spotlights can be fitted for the best quality interior lighting. The unique design, manufacturing process and product layers of the Leka Orangery are innovative and efficient. The Leka system demonstrates an industry-leading energy efficiency with a U value of just 0.15. Competitor products typically weigh up to 40% more than a Leka system. Leka Systems, the truly lightweight conservatory roofing systems.